I've tested all the best tote bags so you don't have to. This roundup of the 11 best tote bags will show you all the best options on the market for a whole bunch of different budgets. And many of these totes have their own full-length individual review, which you can find in the description below. First up is the Aer Go Tote 2, our pick for the best compressible tote. Aer is known for their highly comfortable, functional, and urban gear. And this tote is a part of their compressible Go series. It's 17.5 liters, currently comes in 4 color options, weighs 1.2 pounds, can fit up to a 16-inch laptop, and runs around 90 USD. Some of its top features: the external material is a lightweight 210D Cordura crinkle nylon, which gives it a really hip and kind of cool aesthetic. We've got YKK zippers, Duraflex hardware. The biggest feature is definitely the fact that you can roll it up and compress it. You can do this with a lot of totes, but this one is specifically designed for that, which makes it ideal for traveling. You've got a quick access front pocket with a magnetic closure. We've got 2 external water bottle holders, and a nifty luggage pass-through holder. To learn more about the Aer Go Tote 2 and to find the best price, take a look at the description below and you'll find a link for more information. Number 2 on the list is the Boundary Supply Rennen Tote, or our pick for the best durable maximalist tote. We'll do a durable minimalist next, but by maximist, I mean this is what Boundary Supply does best: highly technical gear with a ton of features and some of the highest quality materials money can buy. The capacity is 18 liters. It currently comes in 2 color options. It weighs 1.8 pounds, and it can fit up to a 16-inch laptop. And the price runs around $140 for the regular, or $170 for this one, which is X-Pack. Speaking of X-Pack, this material is the biggest reason why we picked it as the most durable, because this is the same material that sailboats use for their sailcloths, so highly durable and highly weather resistant. Some of the top features: we've got a nylon microfiber sunglasses compartment, connection to accessories in Boundary Supply's modular ecosystem, an internal expandable water bottle pocket large enough for a 32-ounce bottle, and plenty of external lash points for your external carry needs. To find out more about the Boundary Supply Rennen Tote, take a look in the description below to find out more information. Next up, number 3 on the list is the Mission Workshop Helix Tote, which is our pick for the best durable minimalist tote. Now notice it's durable like the Boundary Supply. We actually have the exact same exterior. They look pretty similar, right? Gray X-Pack material with the black. But as opposed to all the nicks and knacks of the Boundary Supply, the Mission Workshop is significantly more minimalist without sacrificing that durability. It comes in 2 size options, a 15 liter or this one is the 10 liter. There's currently 6 color options. It weighs a very light 0.9 pounds. And the price runs around 140 to 170 USD depending on the size. Some of the top features are the materials. Aside from the X-Pack material, we do have YKK zippers and really nice nylon handles, very silky, smooth to the touch. You got a quick access pocket with a PU coated zipper on the exterior, a shoulder strap, which gives you versatile carrying options, and overall just a very basic and minimalist design. To learn more about the Mission Workshop Helix Tote, take a look at the description below to find out more information. Next up on the list, y'all have seen this guy, the Ikea Tote Bag, or our pick for the best budget tote. Because let me tell you, these are built to last. And whether you want to be ironically hipster, or just you want a tote that's super cheap and just won't die on you, that's what the Ikea Tote does best. It comes in a ton of different sizes, but only 1 color option, the classic Ikea Blue. It weighs a super lightweight 3 ounces. And the price runs about $1 USD at Ikea, or you can get them on Amazon for like $5 a pop. The Ikea totes are super minimalist. They're not gonna have the most comfortable hand carrying experience, but it's very capable of handling heavyweight loads. And the lightweightness of it can't be underrated. Ultimately, we put this on here just to remind you, like, you don't always need to spend money on the expensive stuff. Sometimes something like this can get the job done just as well. And if you want to learn more about Ikea totes, take a look at the description below to find out some more information. Next up on the list is the Bellroy Tokyo Tote Pack, which is our pick for the best tote backpack fusion. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, it's a tote that does both. It comes in 2 sizes, a 14 and a 20 liter, 5 color options. Weighs about 2 pounds, can fit up to a 15-inch laptop, and runs around 200 USD. Some of the top features, obviously the fact that you can do tote/backpack hybrid, and when you want to go into tote mode, you can stow the straps away for a more seamless and true tote experience. You got 2 quick access pockets, 1 on either side. Some really nice internal organization, an internal water bottle pocket, and Bellroy's always so perfect, quirky, urban aesthetic. to learn more about the Bellroy Tote Pack, one of my favorite bags that I've reviewed recently. Take a look at the description below and you'll find a link to our full review and more information. Number 6 on the list is the Marna Shupatto tote, or our pick for the best packable tote. A compact, small, yet nifty tote option. My wife has been using this for months and I love it so much, and I'm like, babe, I'm stealing this for the roundup because I've been watching her use it all the time and it's just so functional. There's a lot of different sizes, color options, and prices, but I'd say this one's around 15 liters. Some of the top features. For materials, we have a very basic nylon webbing handle, but a very smooth and durable and ripstoppy polyester exterior. The main feature is obviously the fact that it's packable and lightweight, which also means that it's washable while still having plenty of water resistance to it. To learn more about the Marna tote, take a look at the description below to find out more information. Next up is the Alpaka Elements tote, which is our pick for the best value tote. Because really, it's bringing a lot to the table in terms of high quality materials, great build, great brand name, Alpaka rocks, but it ain't too expensive. It's 14.5 liter capacity, comes in one color option, it weighs about a pound, and for all that, the price is about 50 USD. Some of the top features for that price, I'm really excited about the external material, which is a 200D ripstop nylon, and a high quality one at that. And it looks great, and it feels great. We've also got a magnetic closure, 1, 2 quick access pockets, decent internal organization, a very compressible and foldable design, and just really top-notch weatherproof materials. To learn more about the Alpaka Elements tote, description, links, you know what to do. All right, number 8 on this list is the Wandrd tote backpack, which is our pick for the best packable tote/backpack. Because earlier we had the best tote/backpack. This is not really as packable. As opposed to this guy, it really is. Much lighter materials and it flattens like a pancake. And it's a tote that can also double as a backpack. Not a great one, but it does work. The capacity is 20 liters. It comes in one color option. It weighs 1.4 pounds, and the price is around 130 USD. Some of the top features is that we have this amazing X-Pack on the outside, ideal for lightweightness, yet weatherproofness and ultimate durability. When you're in backpack mode, it actually converts into like a roll top, which is kind of interesting and innovative. We've got 2 external water bottle holders, and it's camera cube compatible with the Wandrd modular ecosystem. To learn more about the Wandrd tote backpack, description, links. Next up on this list is the Bellroy Tote, which is our pick for the best chic, but value chic tote. 15 liters, 5 color options, 1.43 pounds, can fit up to a 13-inch laptop, and costs around 130 USD. Love the fabric, which is made from 100% recycled PET bottles. Some of the top features, love the handles. High quality materials, they give you plenty of space to put in tote mode. We got a little bit of rubber right there to give it a little extra grip. It's also got a super wide opening with plenty of organization, and I love these creamy interior colors, just adding kind of like to the chicness and the vibe of the Bellroy Tote. Plus, the front zipper pocket is great for quick access. To learn more about the Bellroy Tote, check out the links in the description below. Number 10 on the list is the leather tote from the Jacket Maker, which is our pick for the best leather tote. And remember, leather's not cheap. This is not like a durable, functional tote. This is a, I wanna look good while I'm shopping at Walmart or Publix or Welcome, wherever you shop. Tote. The capacity is not specified on the website. I'd say it's around 15 liters. It comes in 4 color options and it runs around 300 USD. Some of the top features are this full grain leather, the fact that it's handcrafted, and it's got some versatile carrying solutions like an included leather shoulder strap. The external zipper pocket is very functional and good for quick access, and you've also got a little bit of organization on the inside. To learn more about the leather tote from the Jacket Maker, take a look at the description below. And number 11, last on our list, is the best luxury tote from Bleu de Chauffe. I don't know how to pronounce it, but Bleu de Chauffe, I think. French people, please let me know. Because this thing is definitely luxury for me. Because it's definitely not the most comfortable, and it's definitely not the most functional, but it uses high quality materials that look quite chic, and at the end of the day, it's handmade in France. It's a big, it's 35 liters, comes in 3 color options. The weight is not specified on their website. I think I'm a scale and can weigh things. Aaron says we're probably around 2.5 pounds. It's on the heavier side for sure. Leather on the bottom. And as you would expect from any luxury good, it's expensive. It runs around 360 US dollars. For the materials, we have this like coated cotton, which is like a waxed canvas sort of a feel. The materials are quite weatherproof. We've got real leather on the bottom and on the handles, and the leather handles are adjustable, and it also works with a removable shoulder strap, but it does come at an extra cost. To learn more about the epitome of tote luxury, take a look at the description below. If you're still here, it might mean you're not quite sure about which tote is best for you. So I recommend checking out this guy, the Alpaka Elements tote, because it's made from really high quality materials. And at 50 bucks, it's like not a bad price. We did a full review on this tote, which you can watch right here. If you have any questions, comments, or we forgot your favorite tote in this roundup, please let us know in the comments below. I personally respond to every comment myself. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Aaron. This is Nomads Nation. We'll catch you next time.